Welcome back on this Thursday morning. Here's the alert that roads are a mess out there. We have slushy, wet snow that's accumulated in some areas. And aside from the snow, we also have sheets of rain that's ongoing right now as a lot of moisture is traveling across the region from a system south of the UP. This is Imperial Heights Road and US 41 in Barriga County. You can see that intersection is covered in this wet slush snow, and it's still continuing to come down there right now. 34 degrees and a northerly wind of 21. There's a clear difference though in the city of Marquette, where it is at a lower elevation. We just have rain, and of course there's strong and gusty winds. So if you're in those higher elevation spots, it is colder there and you're dealing with that wet snow. 43 in Marquette and a northerly wind of 23 miles per hour. Here's what's happening, the jet stream. We have this closed off area of low pressure. It's pulling in a lot of colder air in the atmosphere, and it's going to continue to travel south and southeast towards the east coast today. But it's coupled with this area of low pressure at the surface that's bringing in a lot of moisture wrapped around it from the east. So that's why we still have a lot of that moisture coming from east to west across the UP. And essentially it's rain across the eastern counties, with a clear transition in the higher elevations and where it's colder to wet snow. So as I mentioned, if you're right along the shoreline, it's rain as compared to farther inland. We also have some areas where we have very heavy rain falling right now, and that's across basically eastern Marquette County into Alger County, US 41. All the way down into near Trinary, seeing a lot of this heavy rain. Look at this right here near the Gwinn area, also in southern Marquette County, just west and southwest of Chatham, a lot of heavy rain as well. As far as additional snow, we're expecting at around half of an inch to about an inch of additional snow this morning in our higher interior elevations across the central and the eastern counties. So not a lot more. This snow will transition to rain throughout the morning from north to south. This is around 8:30 in the morning. Now throughout the day, we'll still have some rain mixing in with snow in the higher elevations, but it's mainly going to be rain and then gradually tapering off into the afternoon. Our highs will be in the low 40s, mainly for our eastern areas and along the shorelines. The highs will be in the upper 30s in interior locations. Looking ahead to Friday and Saturday, it's just very isolated to spotty mix. So we have 2 days where we'll catch a break from the active pattern. It is gusty out there. Our wind flows out of the north. We have gusts ranging of 25 to 43 miles per hour. The range throughout the morning will be around 30 to 45 miles per hour. I think the strongest winds will be occurring in the morning hours, especially for our central and western areas, and then weakening as we head into the afternoon. Here's a look at your extended forecast. We do have some colder air moving in this weekend, so we will be back down to more seasonal conditions with our temperatures basically in the mid to upper 30s for this upcoming weekend, and then back to another active stretch of weather starting on Sunday, extending into next week. Sunday morning's quiet, Sunday afternoon not bad, but by Sunday late afternoon and evening, this disturbance will bring in a bout of rain and snow mix, which continues into Monday.